Dear students, in UPSC CSE, the UPSC gives you multiple options for taking any of the optional paper for your exam. Now, out of all the subjects that is offered to you, PSIR, that is Political Science and International Relation, has been one of the favorites because it is having the greatest overlap with the non-optional papers. So it is having overlap with the essay, General Studies Paper 1, General Studies Paper 2, General Studies Paper 4, and it is also very effectively used in the interview. And therefore, it has been one of the top choice of the people opting for the civil services. Even the results in the political science and international relations have been quite good. In fact, this year there has been more than 113 selections from PSIR itself, and therefore PSIR proves to be a good option. If you're decided on this optional, then we have a batch starting from 7th of April. The timing is 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. And the workshop for that we are going to have on 18th of March. So if you want to start your preparation, this is the foundation course that we recommend you to join. The method that we follow in the classroom, that the topics are completely explained, and then the dictation of the notes is given so that you can refer for future, and the doubts are taken in the class itself. If you're doing from the online mode, then also we organize a separate doubt session to issue any of the doubts that you have. So if you're decided, or if you have any confusion related to PSIR optional paper, I invite all of you to the workshop that is on 18th March 2 p.m. onwards at Shubhra Ranjan IS premise. Thank you.